Hi, in this video, I'm gonna cover Smart Animate in interactions. So we can give effects such as ease in and ease out. Doesn't sound cool, so let's dive in. So let me make a frame here. Alright, and let me make a rectangle here. And then let me copy this. And let me change the color, red. And then from now on, what I want to do is if I click this frame, move to this frame with ease in or ease out effects. So let's make it. So we can make this and go to the prototype tab, click this circle, and then connect. Unclick, navigate to frame 2. Alright, and instant, we have to change this part and select Smart Animate and ease out. So what I'm going to do is ease in with the default value is 300 milliseconds. So what I'm going to do 1 second and it changes into 1000 milliseconds, or if you just write 1000 and it auto completes the milliseconds. So choose the way what you want. And let's check if it works. And let's click present button. And it takes some time. Right. Let me click this. And you can see the effect. That's it. Thanks for watching.